given figure, if PQ parallel to RS, MXQ is equal to 35 degree, MYR is equal to 40 degree, then find XMY. So this angle we have to find. Okay. So for that, let us draw a line which is parallel to PQ and RS through M. Okay, once again, let us draw a parallel line AB through M, which is parallel to PQ and RS. Okay. Now, XM is a transversal for parallel lines PQ and AB. Okay. Now, they have given MXQ is equal to 135 degree. Okay. Since XM is transversal, so therefore we can say XMB is equal to MXQ is equal to 135. What is the reason, children? Since it is a transversal and the angles, interior angles on the same side of the transversal is equal to how much? XMB, sorry, this is M is equal to 180. The sum of these two is equal to 180 degree. The sum of these, that is interior angles on the same side of the transversal is equal to 180. So XMB plus MXQ is 135 is equal to 180. Okay. Now XMB is equal to 180 minus 135. That is equal to how much you get here? 5, 7, that is 45. Okay. XMB is equal to 45. This angle we got 45 degree. Okay. Now just observe here. MYR is equal to 40 degree. Then what is BMY? This is also 40 degree. Why? BMY is equal to MYR is equal to 40 degree. Since these two angles are alternate angles. Okay. Between the two parallels AB and RS. Okay. So therefore, this angle how much we got here? 40 degree. Now, XMY we have to find out. Is it not? Is equal to what? The sum of XMB plus BMY. Yes or no? XMB plus BMY. Okay. Now XMY is equal to XMB is 45 degree plus 40 degree is equal to how much? 85 degree. Okay. This is XMY. Angle XMY is equal to 85 degree. This is what the answer to be. Okay. Now let us go to the next example. If a transversal intersects two lines, if a transversal intersects two lines such that the bisectors of a pair of corresponding angles are parallel, then prove that the two lines are parallel. So you must understand here, children, very well. They have not asked us to, that means they have not told us, now first it's a PQ parallel to RS. We have to prove that from this PQ parallel to RS. Okay. And they have given the two bisectors BE and CG. BE and CG are the two bisectors and the transversal AD. Okay. So if B is the bisector, then ABQ is what? See, for angle ABQ, BE is the bisector. Okay. So similarly, for angle BCS, CG is the bisector. Okay. Now, how to prove this? Let us see here. In the figure, transversal AD, okay, in the figure, transversal AD intersects two lines PQ and RS, okay, at points B and C, and ray BE is the, say I am repeating again children, okay, now I told again I am repeating this, ray BE is the bisector of angle ABQ and ray CG is the bisector of angle BCS, and BE is parallel to CG. BE is parallel to CG. This is what given, and what we have to prove is PQ parallel to RS. Okay. Now let us see now. Ray BE is the bisector of ABQ. It is given. So therefore we can write ABE. Angle ABE is equal to what? 1/2 times angle ABQ. Okay children? Say angle ABE is equal to 1/2 times ABQ. Since BE is a bisector, what is the meaning of bisecting? Dividing this line BE into this whole angle into equal angles. Okay. So therefore angle ABE is equals to 1/2 times ABQ. Okay. Next is similarly, since CG is a bisector of BCS, therefore BCG is equal to 1/2 times BCS. Okay children, let us call this as 1 and this as 2. Okay children, now then after this we have BE parallel to CG. They have given BE parallel to CG and AD is the transversal. AD is the transversal, BE parallel to CG. Okay, therefore we can say angle ABE is equal to angle BCG. Angle ABE is equal to angle BCG. Call this as 3. Now substituting 1 and 2 in 3. So AB is how much? 1/2. 1/2 ABQ is equal to 1/2 BC. Yes. Okay. Now here 1/2 will get cancelled. ABQ is equal to BC. Yes. See here children. ABQ is equal to BC. Yes. We got. Okay children. So here they are what type of this angle? ABQ. This angle is equal to what is this? BC. Yes. This angle. Okay children. These two angles, what type of angles they are? They are corresponding angles. Okay, corresponding angles with the transversal, AD with PQ, AD with PQ and RS. Okay, and RS, and they are equal. Okay, therefore we can say PQ is parallel to RS. Okay, PQ is parallel to RS. Hence proved. Okay, children.